Blessings guys, so today we're in a place called Old Harbour and we're going in search of the Colbeck Castle. Alright, I told you guys about the Colbeck Castle. There will be information in the video about the Colbeck Castle and on screen also. So y'all check this out, and remember y'all can subscribe to Elite Jamaica by clicking that red subscribe button, alright?
I do not have a crazy story to tell, like I dropped out of college or I quit my job and then traveled the world. I am just a normal person with passions I am willing to pursue. Follow me on my journey as I show you what I accomplish. I am Alex, and this is Elite Jamaica.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. We're searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Stay 'cause the flames won't burn.
Yeah man, Elite Jamaica, you know?
Special request to 416 Toronto, 00114 London, all my niggas. Yeah, out there doing my thing. Nothing changed, nigga. Nothing changed. Old Harbour's finest.
Big
The
up.
neighborhood drug dealer.
Yeah peeps, so we actually reached the Colbeck Castle road and we're heading up on this road to the Colbeck Castle ruins. Alright guys, information will be on screen about the Colbeck Castle. Alright, I'm just showing the surroundings. That's the road leading up to Colbeck Castle, back on the Dagenham road up there. So peeps, if you are familiar with Old Harbour, Claremont and up this side, type Old Harbour in the comment section. If you're watching the video, type Old Harbour in the comment section. Alright, so peeps, we are head up to Colbeck Castle now. Now follow me. Not dead. I think the dog dead. Oh. Peeps, we're there, and trust me excited, like so goddamn excited right now peeps. I'm my biggest find this, you know. Speaking about big finds that we have found, this is one of my biggest find peeps. Like me not even bother want to show now, I'm alone to see this. But anyway guys, let us proceed. I want to show you all of this. Alright, so now follow me. There's the entrance, that's part of the structure, and look on that. No, that's the great house guys. Yeah peeps, that's the great house. Yeah man, over there we go. The Colbeck Castle plantation, great house. It's a castle peeps. Y'all seen it built like a castle, yeah? And then we have a next piece up there, so look like a chapel. and we'll go up this also. Alright, so over there we are go peeps. Yeah, gonna follow me. Yeah peeps, like when you not even don't be excited now. If you're not excited, type excited in the comment section now if you never type it a while ago. Alright, so over there we are go guys. Just open the security over here to tell us so we have to turn back down. Yeah man, so yeah, me see what they underneath the place peeps. They showing us something. Yeah guys, so that's like a dungeon under there, or a tunnel to go through. Like when they had actually, it was walled around, you know peeps. You see me? So because it was walled around, there was actually an entrance to go under to come up, because this was a castle, you know peeps. And you need to remember that castles were always, we call it, they were fortresses, places that you could have been kept safe. And look on the construction on this peeps, look how big this is. Nothing like this we have never found in St. Thomas. Yeah? Just open the security node over there, you know, guys. Because something like this, they're gonna wanna like keep it from the public. Look the peeps. If there's security over there, I think I'll go through the tunnel and go over there. Because I need to see this. Look there. At the castle lot, you know peeps. Me zoom it up better. That's the castle guys. Yeah man, type castle in the comment section below. Now flood the comment section if you know please. Remember we're trying to get to 100,000 subscribers guys. Alright, this is one of our biggest finds. I feel like cry yo, I swear. Yo. Now look there. Pristine condition. Plus there's another piece right there. Yeah. So the castle now guys, I don't think no security over there because I can't jump the wall. No security could ever stop me. Look over there so peeps. More over there so you know. It's the old castle you know. The whole plantation there you know peeps. You can't believe that? Watch out over there me I go. You know, follow me. And that's the part down there guys. Yeah. It's well kept though. I like that. So yeah. Try reach another place. I just hope no security in there. You know, seems like none there. So we'll proceed. But first, let me show you the outer houses first before we go up on the castle grounds. Alright. I don't think the king is in house today. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, type king in the comment section. This is a part of the structure. I'm not ready to go over the castle yet. Now look at what is down here. So alright. And if you notice guys, it's a very beautiful land, a very beautiful view peeps. Look there. Jano. Guys, if this is the best find or the biggest find, type best or type biggest in the comment section down below. And if you don't want to see the castle, let me know. There's another building around there also, which we have to check out. That also, that one look like it overlook the next side of the hill. Yeah man. So yeah, we are going up on the castle grounds now. Alright. Yeah peeps, so follow me. I look on that building here because before I look at the castle, like I want to show you this. The castle have to leave for last. But now I show you that until I finish. And rest, see, there's a chapel also. Guys, this is our biggest find, our largest find. Alright? Our most realistic find. Covered now under who them really iron enough to know if I'm gonna guys like guys, this is one of our most amazing finds. Look there. You see this castle at a wall, you know. You know guys, this castle had a wall, so there were entrances from the castle grounds to get out instead of using the gates, because it was also built to protect the plantation that was here. Alright, as I told you, there was information on screen about this whole area, so most likely you understand already. So this is another tunnel here, a very small one, but it was much deeper because this had eroded. Alright, so that's why the ground gets so high. You know, the buildings them always get lower over the period of time, and this has been here centuries, so that's another tunnel right here. This is the entrance there. So now this is the entrance. And guys, look at this. Y'all remember the building we found? Y'all remember the building we found over in Palmetto Springs? Arled, not Palmetto Spring, Arled. It was just the same as this. It was a round building just the same as this. And I'm not sure what these buildings were used for. I think like a storage of grain. You understand? Because the round top, make them not have no dew on them thing that come down on the grain. Guys, not teaching us something. The round top, make them not have no dew. It's not sweat, alright? So I think that's what this was used for. But you know, we up there, so peeps, and I don't know if we forgot up there. But let me see them. I'll show you what I'm going up there, sir. Oh, the camera see much better. Yeah, guys, this is how in here look. And it's a round building, as you notice there, right there was blocked up. Alright, so I'm not sure what this was used for, but yeah. Very large building indeed. And that's the back. That's the wall going around here, peeps. Alright, so the castle was built. There's a wall built around the castle. Yeah? So let us move on. Let us go look at the castle now. I'm showing you that, peeps, on the chapel. Yeah, man, you know, follow me. What up? Hey guys, so alright, I really want to thank you all for watching the videos. Thank you for the time you spend out here day for watching videos. Is it really appreciate it, and I promise to always give you quality content for the time you spend watching these videos. Thank you all for your donations and all of that. Remember Elite Jamaica charity event. When you hear me every chat, I'm excited. Elite Jamaica charity event is coming up on April the 4th. Alright, and we will be treating the homeless of Portland. Okay, so yeah, that we are dealing with now. Peeps, me like shut a fire down there, so I don't know how I'm going. Alright, so I'm kind of nervous right now. As you hear that a while ago, don't? Like my heart a beat fast now. But anyway, I have to show you all of this. Yeah? So the building we were looking at just now, guys, this is the back of the building we were looking at. Yeah? This is the back of the building up top. And I think there should be an entrance here. Yeah, there's a step there, guys, going down into this building, because as I told you, this was a wall around the castle. You know, you can picture a castle. The castle is built with a wall around it, so therefore there's always a road, there's always a gate to get out, there are always emergency exits, so to speak. So this was one of those, and if you notice, this seems to have been a hidden exit, because there's no structure, just the steps going down. Alright, and this goes right down into the thing that's shaped like a tunnel. Yeah, so now we move along. Let me show you this sign here, guys. Let me just take a quick pic. Colbeck Castle. Alright, that's the history of Colbeck Castle, peeps. Alright, so now we're gonna be moving over to this building over here. Now this seems to have been another building where you can actually walk through to get out of the castle grounds. Trust me, guys, it's an amazing footage. Like, see there, no, peeps. But we are going there shortly. Yeah, man, I'm gonna show you guys this building right here. I don't know if I shot a fire down there, but I kinda get timid a while ago. Yeah, because Mr. JPS man, I work good on truck, and still me hear things like shot a fire. You know, what I'm something there. Alright, guys, so this is the other building. Yeah, may I try to figure out what this was. Hey guys, this is the other building. And the reason why I said this, I think this was a chapel, is because of the way it was built. I think this building was actually a chapel. Alright? Just me telling you about them flowers there. Them can't dead. These can grow to like hundreds of years old. Maybe 1,000 years old. These flowers, I can guarantee you guys that these flowers were actually here from the castle was actually up and running. Alright, if you notice them, they're all over the castle grounds. These are flowers that they use to decorate these buildings. We found one type up in Island Head, and now this is another type right here. They are basically the same thing. You know, hear them sound? They are like plastic. Alright, so we'll move along, guys. So see here now, guys, as I told you, these buildings had underground exits. You have to go down to get out of the castle grounds, because up the wall was around the castle. So this is another exit right here, and it seems to have been a wider exit where you actually like them would have take things down and stuff like that. Go move on, peeps. Now this Seems to have been a room of some sort, I'm not sure, but that's a chimney over there, guys. That's a fireplace over there. Alright, and there's another fireplace here. I'm not sure why this place has so many fireplaces. There seems to have been the kitchen area. The kitchen area was up there. The kitchen area was up there, as you can notice. Yeah. Here seems to have been another fireplace while one was up there also. This seems to have been some form of a kitchen. You know, those fireplaces seems to have been places where they cook. You know, these holes, I'm not sure what these are for, but most likely these holes, guys, these holes were the very same to get out of castle grounds instead of going through the gates, just in case of an attack. Alright, these windows were much higher back in the days because the buildings, they always go down, as you know, guys. But this fireplace, we can't understand why the building of, and this is not a, okay guys, this one carry past, I'm not really like when people say this was not a chimney, guys. Alright, come here with the camera. This was not a chimney, this was a fireplace, most likely an oven, because if you notice there is no exit point for smoke. This was an oven, guys. So that over there was an oven, and then we have them too. That seems to have been a kitchen area, so this was actually the kitchen area, guys. It seems like this was where the person that lived there got their food. This was the kitchen area, and it couldn't have been anything other than a kitchen area, because that's the oven right here, one right here. And let me show you this one, guys. This is actually a tree one. And another thing, there is underground. Alright, look guys, you notice there is underground. There's actually something like a tunnel underground. Yeah, so as I told you, these buildings were actually higher, so they have, because of erosion, they actually got lower. So this right here could have been another compartment underground, another floor. So actually, I think we're on a top floor of the first floor. We're on the roof of the top of the first floor. As I told, the walls were higher. Alright, so this is the next thing why I said it was a kitchen. If you notice, it's 2 ovens. Alright, could have been 3 also. Okay, but they are broken down. This was 2 ovens right here. So the ovens, this seems to have been the kitchen area, and those windows were serving areas all around where persons could collect their food. Alright, so let me move on. Now, I'm going to show you another outer building before we enter the castle grounds, alright? Yeah guys, so as I'm going to show you again these same flowers. They're actually out here also. So them flowers are peeps, can't dead. Alright, come here, me never had shown, but I need to show this. I mean, look at the construction at the castle, peeps. That's right through the castle you're looking. Alright, yeah, we're soon going there anyway. Yeah, peeps, so them flowers are can't dead. Let's see how they go. Yeah guys, not sure what was here. So the flowers them again, guys. I can guarantee you that these were here for 100 of years, you know. Yeah man, these were here for hundreds of years, guys. Yeah. Alright, let's see again. Alright, now let me show you this, guys. Come and take a look at this. You see, this castle has undergrounds that we haven't. Oh, and then we see out on the wall out there, so the undergrounds. This is what I'm standing on, guys. The roof of the tunnel that's under here. And there's the other one over here, guys. Those are the ones that we saw. These are the ones that we saw out front when we were coming in. Maybe I'll put that back a screenshot on screen for you guys to see. But it seems like these are run right underground, but straight across. Because it seems as if they would have been connected to the other building. And these tunnels, guys, were built just in case of an attack, you know. Yeah, this is one, that's one. I'm going to show you the entrances over there, guys, and it seems that it connected the other building and then where they could go down to get out through the back. Alright. Here we have more tunnels. Here's another tunnel. Step across, don't walk on this. Here's another tunnel, guys, and if you notice, I was actually right. It's a tunnel under there. That is why it have the little belly. And if you look there, there's an entrance down there where you can come out through. I don't know how far the next side go. Now stretch the camera down there. You know, I'm not sure what's down there, but me see it when I edit. Yeah. So yeah guys, and there is another tunnel over here, just the very same, and this one seemed to have run adjacent to how the next one run. There it is down there. It's another tunnel. You know, I'm not gonna go into these tunnels guys, just for safety reasons, and yeah, I'm not get a chance to go in there. But guys, let's move on. Yeah peeps, so we're gonna look at this third building. If you notice, the castle was built with 1, 2, 3, 4 buildings. In the 4 corners of the castle were buildings. Alright, so these buildings, it seems to have been for like guard post, or I'm not sure, but one of them for real, one of them for sure was like what do you call it, a canteen. Alright, where they actually cooked. You understand? That's the one around there. And see the floors them there again guys. These floors can't die. Yeah? Now let's take a look at this building and see what was here. And tunnels actually, because the ones that we see running this way guys, they actually run and come into this building. We can guarantee that. We can bet you no one winning that. Seems to have been a grave right there. I'm going to look for that. Because if someone is buried on castle grounds right in front of the castle, most likely the person would own it. Alright, let's look from the inside. Look from the one first. Okay guys, total different type of buildings here. I'm not seeing evidence of a tunnel underneath building. But this guys, I'm not sure what this building was. Honestly, I can't tell you. I don't have an idea as to what this building was. And I'm not seeing evidence of any tunnels. But these buildings surrounding the castle were all built, I think, for protection purposes. Yeah? This one, you can notice that it had both floors. It was actually lower. It had flooring. Yeah, but the flooring has disappeared. Yeah guys, so I'm not sure what this one was used for. Could be the entrance because it was at the entrance, you know. I'm not sure. Alright, so now we move to the castle. Alright, okay. I'm not sure that is guys, but it seemed like that a step going down underground, or there was another building right here. Alright, but I'm not sure. That looked like a step. I thought it was a stairs. It's not a What I don't understand guys, it seems that they have board flooded because there's no way, there's no steps, alright? No steps here. So I don't understand why we would be down here and you know? But yeah peeps, we're in a Colbeck Castle. Let's follow me. Yeah peeps, this is the castle from the inside. Going up and up. You see that peeps? That's 1, 2, 3. 3 stories. Alright, and that's the back of the castle over there guys. Yeah, I'll go over this one. Walk on. Here's the main entrance guys. Another main entrance. We start get the same idea though. I always get peeps. You know that though. This castle seems to have been burnt. I'm not sure, I'm gonna get the history. But this castle seems to have been burnt to the ground though. So it seemed that another step was here to get upstairs because there is all the way up there. Yeah? All the way up there peeps. And I see a lot of it has been broken. If you look over there, you know, it has been broken off. Yeah guys, let me show you around here. Hey guys, let me take a look inside here. So you see how them build them place up, so you have to get breeze in the house because you notice the wind, they build it so that the wind will always be blowing inside of the house, and that is one of the things we spoke about. Alright, they built it so that they had, it's like air conditioned, they always had cool air. Yeah? Look again guys, all the way up here. This is indeed a castle, peeps. Nothing less than a castle. Alright, that's where the second floor was right there, and then you have all the way up there. Yeah, that's another doorway up there to come out onto the second floor. And I notice it line up. Yeah, so this is nothing less than a castle. Yeah, peeps. Yeah, guys, so this is another room. And then you know again, all the way up there, this is a very large building, a very large house, peeps. You see me, I one of our biggest fan, the greatest fan. I don't know if I haunted the place, haunted me either at me, or if I excited too much for me that right now, guys. But yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Yeah? Yeah, man. This is another room right here. You notice they had these circular lookouts. Guys, like, this is crazy, yo. This is our greatest find. And guys, you notice brick and stone going all the way up to Zion. Yeah? I know. So let me see where we haven't been. Let me see where we haven't been. Alright guys, so this is the house, guys. For real. Such beautiful footage, guys. Watch the view, peeps. That's the castle around here. Yeah? Yeah, man. So peeps, as me always say, if you see anywhere at all where you know or anywhere you come from, type it in the comment section down below. Alright, that help the channel, is it? And I just can't tell us a comment for nothing at all. So if you see anywhere that you know or anywhere that you actually lived, type it in the comment section down below. We are now in Marley Mount, guys.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car.
Blessings, guys, and thank you for being here. Alright, if you got this far in the video, type the word history in the comment section down below. And if you love history the way I do, remember you can subscribe to Elite Jamaica, as we will be going all over Jamaica and documenting these sites. Alright, so until then, we all stay blessed and look out for the next one. Join the WhatsApp group, peeps, if you're not already joined the WhatsApp group for updates. Alright, and remember you can follow Elite Jamaica on TikTok at Elite Jamaica Vlogs. Alright, so yeah, be sure to check that out. So until then, y'all stay blessed.